The Commodore 64 home computer has an unusually large memory. Remember? It also has all the peripherals you're ever likely to need. Monitors, plotters, printers, disk drives, and a vast range of software. Which means you'll get so much more enjoyment out of your home computer. The Commodore 64. Remember the enormous memory, but don't forget the peripherals and software.
In the competitive world of home computers, the Commodore 64 is absolutely unbeatable. With its enormous 64K memory, its printers, plotter, disk drive, monitor, and its vast range of software, we believe the only thing the Commodore 64 doesn't have is any serious competition. The Commodore 64. Never forget it's the world's biggest selling home computer.
I'm learning fast. I'll give it my best shot.
I knew I could do it.
Like most other home computers, the Commodore 64 is small and very agile. Unlike most other home computers, it has an enormous 64K memory. This means you can use more exciting and advanced software programs and get so much more enjoyment out of your home computer. The Commodore 64. Remember, it costs less than £230. And don't forget, it has the enormous memory.
Happy Christmas, kids.
Happy Christmas, Mom.
Hey everyone! Look what I found!
Commodore's new computer compendium gives your family thousands of interesting and enjoyable things to do.
Like Adrian Mole.
Oh, great! You choose, Rebecca.
You can play exciting games like Adrian Mole.
3. What you doing, Dad?
Capturing the beauties of nature, son.
You can draw fabulous pictures.
Jingle bells.
You can even play music. Rescue your family from boredom this Christmas with the Commodore Computer Compendium.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to see more like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And in the meantime, why don't you check out one of the other videos here on the side. And until next time, bye for now.